Grandma Crunchy Slime. Look how many they have. Hi everyone, Crunchy Slime. SMR. Oh, that's interesting. It's blue. It looks sticky. Ugh. Yeah. It's blue, all right. Crunchy, stretchy. It's got a good stretch on it. Good old crunchy slime. Ew. The popping. Oh no, the popping. Oh, the popping. Take your frustration out on it. Oh God, the crunch. It's like nails on a chalkboard. Oh gosh. Oh, squish. Oh my gosh. I don't know how much more I can take.
Mom making slime. Welcome! Fluffy slime tutorial. All right, step 1, add the glue and shaving foam into a dirty old bowl or something, not a good bowl, because you may never see it again. All right, now we're adding food coloring. Green by the looks of it. Stir, stir, stir. Okay, it's like a minty color. Optional, add coloring and scent. Okay, we're adding more coloring, making it more green. Wonder what scent, ooh. Himalayan, oh, it's so fast, I can't read it. Okay, key thing is stir. Oh, Hawaiian punch type. There we go. That was not at all what I saw. Okay, we're taking some glue. Oh, activator. I think activate slowly. But this stirring looks awfully fast for it to be slow. All right, and make sure you have a spork spoon available to you. It looks like a critical tool. Okay, we're putting more in. I didn't see a measuring cup, so I have no idea how much. It's all part of the proprietary knowledge. I don't know what that thing is. Maybe more activator or glue or... Okay, and we're stirring. We're doing more stirring with your spork spoon. Okay. Adding the shaving foam. Man, this is all by eyeballing it. It looks awfully complicated. Okay, more activator. Again, no measurements, so you just gotta know the biz. Okay, oh dear. Well, that is not coming off anything. Update. Oh, I missed the words. I was too busy looking like this was a bread dough gone wrong. Oh, gross. Yay, finished. It's all done and it's not stuck to the hands. I don't know how that happened. It was like magic sauce got added somewhere that you didn't get to see because it is not looking the same. Okay. You can stretch it out to look like a thin bread towel. And then clump it. Okay, you've got a jar here. Shove it into jar. Ta-da! Oh no, what are we doing now? More shaving cream. How are you gonna stir that in? Oh, you're making it beautiful. But see, what if someone thinks it's like ice cream and takes a lick? Ugh. Oh, now we're really making it look like ice cream because we're about to put some sprinkles on it. Are these edible? Could have fooled me. Oh. Oh, this looks messy again. How's that gonna all, oh no, that's all over the place. Okay. So it's not the same beautiful look that it was before, but maybe it's cleaning her hands. Because it's like a soap. That's gotta be it. Washing the table. Wash, 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 wash. And stretch. That probably helps absorb that shaving cream. Somewhere, some dude's unable to shave his beard tonight because we used a container of shaving cream. Okay, now it does look different. It's kind of floppy. Okay, we're picking up our crumbs. I mean, I think you guys can make bread with these kneading skills. Is someone gonna throw it in the air like a pizza pie? I'm waiting for it. Okay, it's looking a little sticky on the old hands. Okay, you poke some holes in it with your fingers. And then you pull, ooh, it's doing something. It's like stretching and then it just starts to rip. Okay, and then you gotta smush it together again. Have fun and enjoy. Make sure to clean up your mess when you're done.